Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Microsoft just released another new TTS model and its name is VibeVoice Real-Time 0.5 billion and it is completely free and open source. Its size is very small 0.5 billion but it is very powerful and it can be easily deployed in a low infrastructure because of small size, and they have mentioned one thing which is the real time. So that means you can easily do the streaming of text input. So this is the interface. Let me show you where is that. This is the interface, and here you will keep the text, and here you will find this streaming input text, and here you can choose a speaker name, and also you can click on the start button and it will start streaming the text. So how it will work, I will show you. But before that, let me give you one introduction to this VibeVoice. So this is a frontier open source text to speech model, and it is very lightweight and real-time text to speech, and it has the robust long form speech generation, means it has the long form context, and also these are the features like parameter size is 0.5 billion, deployment friendly, real-time TTS, it has around 300 millisecond fast audible latency. This is very small, and these are the two new things: streaming text input and long form speech generation. I have given this Hugging Face page link in description, so go there and scroll down below and find this installation and usage section inside this VibeVoice page, and click on this GitHub README. When you click on this, you will find this GitHub page. This is the doc file for the installation, and also they have given this Google Colab try link. So find this section, that usages, and usage 1, launch real-time WebSocket demo. Click on this Colab, and also I have given this Colab, means Google Colab link in description. You can click on that link directly and then you will find this page. This is the Google Colab link, and what you have to do, that you have to just do the sign in with your Google account, and these are the some steps that they have mentioned, and go to the step 1, setup environment, and here before running all of these steps, just make sure you click on this runtime. Click on this runtime, click on this change runtime type, select this runtime type Python 3 and hardware accelerated T4 GPU, and click on the save. Okay, and after that here you have to execute the steps. Step 1, check for T4 GPU. So just run this. Okay, just run this. Click on this triangle arrow icon. Okay, and after that you will get a green tick here in this section. Okay, in this section you will get a green tick, and after that you will find these steps will be executed, and here come to these steps and here run this, and here you have to give the Hugging Face token. Okay, so how can you get the Hugging Face token? For that you have to go to your Hugging Face uh, account. So I have given this link also in description. Click on that, you will find this page, and under your profile you will find this settings option. Okay, so go to the settings, and after that in the settings page you will find this access token, and here you will find this create new token. Click on that, you will find this page. So here give any name like VibeVoice, and after that give all of that permission. Okay, give all of that permission. Here all of the checkboxes that you will see, just click on that, all of that checkboxes till here. Okay, the meaning is that you are giving permission to this token to do all of that things, read, write, and all of that access, right? And now after that click on this create token. Now your token will be created, and just copy that token and paste it here in this section. Now click on this login, and after that just close these steps. Okay, now just run these next steps. Snapshot download, click on this triangle icon, this white color. Now you will find this green tick like this here. Okay, and after that go to the step 2 and here run this. Now after running this step 2, when you will find these two link, one is the UVCon running on localhost 8000 and public URL this one. When you will find these two link, will be visible to you. That means it is running successfully locally, and this is the unique link that you will get from this Google Colab for trying this VibeVoice. Okay, now if I just open this link, and here you will find that I have got this kind of interface, and this is the official interface for the VibeVoice, and the example that they have shown, this is the same page. Okay, so here what I can do, that I have already generated one dummy text from ChatGPT. So just paste it here. Okay, Control A, Control V, and after that here you will see that the streaming input text will be visible here. Okay, in this section, and for that choose one speaker name here. Okay, for the video purpose I'm just keeping it the Carter main, and now click on the start.
Enter your text here and click. In a world driven by technology, the ability to transform text into natural expressive speech is becoming more powerful than ever. A great text-to-speech model doesn't just read words, it understands rhythm, emotion, and clarity. As you listen to this paragraph, notice how the voice handles pauses, emphasis, and tone shifts. Every sentence is designed to test pronunciation.
And I have stopped this. Here you see that it is doing the streaming of input text. So the streaming means, actually in case of a real-time scenario, you have already seen that during real time you see the live streaming, right? Means you are giving some content, then again you are giving some content. In the same way here also you have the whole script. Okay, you have the whole script, whole text ready, but it is reading some of the text for a time. Okay, so it is continuously reading, means if you just add another some text also here, means it is reading the text, and at the same time you are also typing or adding the text here in these boxes, in the upper boxes, then also it will identify that, and also it will read that. Okay, and this is called streaming of input text. Means normally normal TTS what does, that you have given the full text, and it takes some time to understand the text, and after that when you will click on the start button, then it will read the whole text, whatever the text you have given first. But here in this case it is totally different. Means you have given the text paragraph, but when it is reading that text paragraph, if you are adding some extra line also here, then also it will read that, it will identify that. This is called streaming of input text, and this facility only available by this Microsoft new VibeVoice. Okay, and also if you go to this Hugging Face page, then also you will find this space link, and but this is by any coder. If you go to the space link, then also you will find this kind of page. Here also you can give this text, and after that click on this generate speech, and it will generate that. But you will get the best experience from their official setup, which is this using Google Colab, and this is the setup. This is the UI that is officially published by Microsoft. Okay, so I hope that you got the point, that how to do the setup, how to use it, and what is the different between this VibeVoice TTS system with the other existing TTS system, and why it is powerful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, and all the links are given in description. Please go there and check it with your own machine. And also if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.